Welcome back, students. Now I am going to describe you the biliary passageway. This biliary passageway is formed by the junctions between, these are formed by the junctions and the grooves between the neighboring hepatocytes, and this is called the smallest branch of the biliary passageway is called the bile canaliculus. In between the hepatocytes where bile canaliculus is formed, the zonula occludens or tight junctions are present to prevent the leakage of the bile which is formed from this bile canaliculus into intercellular space. So this bile canaliculus carrying the bile from the hepatocytes till it enters the canal of Herring. So you can see over here, this is the canal of Herring, and this canal of Herring is lined by the simple cuboidal epithelium, and from the canal of the Herring then the bile enters into the hepatic duct or the bile duct. And next is the perisinusoidal space. The perisinusoidal space is present between the basal lamina of the sinusoids and the basement membrane or basal lamina of the adjacent hepatocyte. This is also called the space of Dis, and in this perisinusoidal space, the cells which are present are called the ito cells. These ito cells are vitamin A storing cells, and here they form the vitamin A. Also, the reticular connective tissue is present, which is in minimal amount over here, but in cases of some diseases like fibrosis or cirrhosis of the liver, this reticular connective tissue increases in amount. So, to summarize today's class, you can see in over here, this is the classic hepatic lobule. This one is the portal lobule, center of which is formed by the portal triad and each corner the central vein. This one is the acinus of Rappaport, having the short axis formed by the anastomosing branches of the hepatic artery, portal vein and bile duct, and long axis formed by the imaginary line passing between the two nearby central veins. Then the detail, this is the central vein, then the radiating cords of the hepatocytes. These are the sinusoids. These are also sinusoid in cross section. You can say this is the smallest biliary passageway, which is called the biliary canaliculi, which enters into duct canal of Herring, and then canal of Herring empties into the bile duct. So these are the hepatocytes which are present. The smallest web-shaped cells present over here. You can see over here, these are the Kupfer cells which are present, forming the part of the lamina of the sinusoidal epithelium. And here I complete my lecture for the today's class. Till the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.